let's go. We're going on a hike to Springbrook.
Now
I'm gonna go for a little swim, a little dip in the waterfall.
We sprayed some like bug spray because
yeah, we'll be right though. We'll be right.
Guys, we just have to go to
It
the
is
bathroom.
raining. This out leeches on our shoes. Oh my god, they're like prancing around. That was probably it, hey. It's still in your shoe. The leech. Dude, look at the video. It's literally. Oh my god, there's like 2 of them, dude. Look.
I can see
Dude.
5.
We are.
That was shocking.
We are in the jungle. We've been attacked. We've been attacked by so many leeches.
Looked down at our shoe and it was like
There was like 10 in our shoe. But I had to get rid of them.
We can't even Google. We want to go for a swim and we can't even Google.
Yeah.
If leeches attract more in the water.
But look how nice the waterfall is.
Can I go like a little aesthetic video of you walking in?
Oh, okay. Oh my god, he's hiding in the bush. We're back from our hike. How was that, Eden?
I'm traumatized. I'm literally like
We had
scared.
like 20 plus leeches hanging off us. It was pretty scary. Eden was freaking out. That's a little hike for, I think that's like the day. I did my stage 2 today with 2 instructors. It went really well. I'll insert some videos. Yeah, but I landed in a fucking tree. My final approach, when you come down from 250 feet, the wind got me and it just fully pushed me into the fucking tree. And I was like hanging on the tree. They call it, in skydiving, if you fall in a tree, they call it the koala. They call it the koala hug. I was holding onto the tree and I found a branch and I just sat on it and waited and waited for people to come. Yeah, pretty hectic. I'm gonna go early tomorrow morning and hopefully I get my 3rd jump in and I can actually ace it. It's insane. Say that again, Sophie.
They're cute. I liked watching them.
So what did you do last night?
I watched them all.
What did you think about them?
They were entertaining.
That's good. Say hello. Don't crash. She's on her L. I'm teaching her to drive. Bye, Sophie.
With fries.
Yummy. Hi everyone. I just did 3 jumps today. They went so well. I'm so happy. No more trees. I just can't believe it. I'm gonna be a skydiver. I did my stage 3 today, stage 4 and stage 5. The stage 3, I had 2 instructors with me, and then stage 4, I had 1, and stage 5, I had 1 instructor just jump out with me, and then he would let me go. So for the stage 5, we did like 360s turns, like when we're free falling. I have like 5 more jumps left to do now, and then I can like skydive solo. So I'm just so keen to do those as soon as I can. It is the most exhilarating experience, and I'm honestly addicted to it, and I will spend all my money on skydiving, honestly. Yeah, I highly recommend like doing a tandem like with someone and just experience it. It is the most freeing thing ever. Obviously it's scary, it's jumping out of a plane. I really want to make my whole family do a tandem. Yeah, so stay tuned for the rest. I'm so excited!
Get eyes forward. Awesome. Looking great. Okay, start flaring. All the way, all the way. Now stand this up like a boss. Yeah, girl.
The main course of tonight. Yummy.
Fuck with it?
Yeah.
Check the public Cornell, he gon' check the budget part